In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily copy your Instagram profile link. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, you need to open up Instagram app. After that, just tap right here to go to your Instagram profile page, and now all we have to do is just tap right here at this share profile button. Here we can easily find the QR code that leads to our page, and we can use it to share the link to our Instagram profile when we are offline. And also down below here we can easily find the option copy link. I can just tap right here and that will immediately copy the link to my Instagram profile to the clipboard, and then we can, let's say, head over to some messenger and share that link to our friend or to any user. We can also, let's say, head over to Notes app, and then in this way we can paste it here to save it. Actually, the link will look like that, and actually we can remove all the part starting and including this question mark. So now I'm gonna remove all this part including question mark, and actually that's how we can easily get the link that leads to our Instagram profile page. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.